When you click and move the cursor towards right, the selection area becomes blue, and it is called blue selection. When you click and move the cursor towards left, the selection area becomes green, and it is called green selection. When you use blue selection, only the parts which are completely covered under selection area are selected. When you use green selection, all the parts which are touching the selection area are selected. After selecting the required parts, if you need to unselect some parts, then hold the Shift key and click the parts you want to unselect. If you have any queries related to AutoCAD, comment below. Please subscribe to my channel because I shall regularly upload the tricks like this. Comment Hail Mechanical if you like the video.